Still studying the hard way in 2026? These 5 free AI tools can save you hours every week. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to discover 5 free AI tools that will help you study smarter, stay organized, and save time in 2026. These tools are perfect for students who want to improve learning efficiency and manage their academic tasks effectively. Let's dive in. The first tool is Scribe AI. Scribe AI can automatically create step-by-step guides and tutorials from any process you perform on your computer. It's perfect for students who want to document experiments, projects, or software workflows without manually writing instructions. Next is Speechify. With Speechify, you can convert textbooks, articles, or notes into natural-sounding audio. This way, you can study while commuting, exercising, or doing chores. Listening to your study material helps improve retention and saves time. The third tool is Notion AI. Notion AI allows you to organize notes, summarize chapters, and manage tasks efficiently. It acts like a personal assistant for students, helping you keep track of deadlines, create study plans, and prioritize tasks. Fourth, we have Canva AI. Canva AI helps you design presentations, posters, infographics, and social media content effortlessly. Even if you have no prior design experience, AI templates and suggestions help you create professional visuals in minutes. Finally, Quizlet AI. Quizlet AI generates flashcards, practice quizzes, and summaries automatically from your study material. It's perfect for memorization, exam preparation, and interactive learning. By using these 5 AI tools daily, you can simplify your study routine, stay organized, and maximize productivity. Remember, tools alone are not enough. You need focus, consistency, and smart planning to achieve the best results. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI study tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. By using these tools, you can actively enhance your learning experience while effectively managing your time and resources. So let's recap the 5 tools we explored today: Scribe AI for seamless documentation, Speechify for audio study material, Notion AI for robust organization, Canva AI for stunning visuals, and Quizlet AI for dynamic learning aids. Each of these tools is tailored to empower your academic journey in innovative ways. By incorporating these 5 free AI tools into your study routine, you will not only elevate your learning efficiency but also pave the way for academic success in an increasingly digital world. Embrace the future of studying and unlock your potential today.